Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study English of class 3 and today we will discuss the unit 3 Anum is sick. We will discuss the exercises of reading comprehension. We will discuss exercise B2 and B3 today. B2. Open up page number 57. These words are in the text. Read the text again and underline them. You can see that there is a box on page number 57. We have to read these words and then, we have to read the text. We have to read the chapter and then we have to underline. So this will be your homework. First of all, read these words: dragged, bring, sighed, refused, laughed, packed, sponged, touched, lay down, looked and nodded. Now read the lesson and underline these words which are in the box. This is your homework. Underline these words with the help of pencil in your vision book. Now take out your vision books and open up page number 57. Let's start solving exercise B3. Rewrite the above words in the order as they occur in the text. The first word is dragged. We have to write down these letters in the order as they occur in the text. Not in the alphabetical order, but in the order as they occur in the text. So the first word will be dragged. Now start solving this exercise in your book with me. First word is dragged. Next word, sighed. Third, nodded. Then touched and bring. We have to write down these 5 words in sequence as they occur in the text. You have to do this exercise B3 in your vision book. Note down your homework. Do exercise B2 and B3 in your vision book. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.